Hi, I am Shorty Biscuit and welcome back to my channel.
A couple years ago when I was on a road trip, I got this Coleman Camp Kitchen. It is actually pretty nice. I haven't used it a lot because usually when I go places there's already a picnic table, so I just use that. But when I'm out somewhere where there's no picnic table, it helps a whole lot to be able to have a space to prep and to cook. I am going to put it together and warm up my dinner, and you get to see how it works. So it's pretty simple. Once you open up the table, you just open out the legs. And there are the extension pieces in here. They just go in and they snap. Pretty easy. There is a lock on the end of the table. You just kind of flip it into place and it keeps the table from collapsing. So I'll do the other side. And you could end there and just leave this just like this as just a table. However, there's the attachment piece and it can go on either side depending on what your setup is. And here's the other piece. It just opens like an accordion. You flip this piece over. There's a little knob here that snaps right into a circle here. And then you just slide it in, snap it in, and there you go. Pretty easy, pretty simple to set up. These are the crossbars where you adjust for the stove or whatever desired width you need. It's just 2 screws on the end. Slide it into place. So if you have like the Coleman Classic stove, the green stove, you can just sit the stove right on top of here and you have a counter for prep space. And there's these other pieces here. So on the back edge, there's these little slots where this fits into. Just slide it in. And there's those little, well, half of S hooks you can hook things on. This connects in here. And again, on the back side here, there are 2 slots where you insert, it looks like a keyhole. You insert this in, slide it down, and lock it into place. And then you use the Velcro to keep it up. It's a good place to hang your light at night, provide light while you work, but it's a pretty good table. It's sturdy, and you could leave it and have your cook space. So I'm gonna warm up my food and use it.